nVent ERIFLEX is proud to launch its unique, safer, and flexible product called nVent ERIFLEX Flexibar Advanced. The new insulation material combines low-smoke, halogen-free, flame-retardant features, making nVent ERIFLEX Flexibar Advanced the safest alternative for your electrical installation when compared to PVC. Because nVent ERIFLEX Flexibar Advanced contains no halogens, it reduces the amount of toxic smoke produced during a fire, improving the safety of your electrical installation and protecting the environment. nVent ERIFLEX Flexibar Advanced is self-extinguishing. That means, in case of a fire, it generates less flames and smoke, limiting the damage to your electrical power system. nVent ERIFLEX Flexibar Advanced generates less harmful gases and allows for improved visibility in case of emergency.